If you are still struggling to grow your hair as a lady, you need to start using Ayurvedic ingredients, herbal ingredients. You can grow your hair on a budget using herbs. I could remember sharing with you guys how to make moringa leaves. I pluck moringa leaves from my garden and then I dry them. I show you guys how to process it into powder. You don't need to break a bank to grow your hair. Fenugreek, I could remember lemongrass. I could remember sharing with you guys how I pluck lemongrass from my garden and I transform them into products that I used to grow my hair. If you check my page from 2020, compare that to today or compare that to this video, you will see that my hair has improved so much. That's as a result of using these natural ingredients. Not just using it, but being consistently using it. Do not make this herbal hair spray if you aren't ready for healthier hair, fast hair growth with a side of dandruff-free scalp. You don't even know that dandruff can actually cause your hair from not growing, especially from the scalp. So for today's recipe, my first ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is known for making hair to grow thick. If you want your hair to grow thick, you should be focused on using fenugreek in your hair, whether powder or the seeds. Now, my second ingredient is cloves. Cloves is known for helping to grow hair long, thick, and also to grow back your hair on bald spots. I'm just summarizing the uses and the benefits of all these natural ingredients that we are using for today's video. If I were you, I would take today's video seriously and search for the ingredients and try this recipe. It is going to do your hair a lot of good. Now, my third ingredient is black seeds. You guys have heard me or have seen me use black seeds times and time again. Black seeds, on the other hand, helps to grow hair really long, thick, and also to give your hair strength, your hair strand strength that could withstand shedding and breakage. So if you want to strengthen your hair strands, you don't want your hair to be shedding often and on, you have to try black seeds in your routine. Start using black seeds today or just combine all these ingredients and use. And then the next ingredient on my list is green tea. Now, these are my green tea leaves that are being dried. So we are going to be measuring out a tablespoon of the green tea for this recipe. Green tea is a dihydrotestosterone blocker, DHT blocker. That's what green tea does for your hair. It stops shedding and breakage. If your hair is shedding non-stop, make sure not to mix this green tea in your own hairspray when you're making it, because you would want to substitute one herb to the other. So please do not substitute any of this herb I'm sharing on this video. That is, if you want it to work. So boil up some water to 100 degrees Celsius. Pour about 500 ml worth of it to the jar containing all the ingredients in the jar. Remember, I measured out 1 tablespoon each of all the herbs that I'm using for this video today. So take note. So steep that for 12 hours. You can do 8 hours if you're running short of time. Strain this after 12 hours because I did mine after 12 hours. Transfer into your spray bottle and then it is ready for use. As always, I love to use my herbal teas as a leave-in. Not that I don't use it as a tea rinse. I do use it as a tea rinse, but I love to use it as a leave-in, whereby I spray it on my hair and then I don't get to rinse it out or shampoo my hair. I leave it until it is my next wash day. So a quick look at my hair routine, like how I wash my hair, the duration I stay before I wash my hair. I know most of you are curious, you want to know. So I do wash my hair now that my hair got longer and thicker. I do wash my hair now every 6 weeks. Yes. When I'm not washing, if I feel that my scalp is dirty, I feel like maybe cleaning my scalp, or I want my scalp to be clean, I mix up 1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 parts of water. I use a cotton pad to clean my scalp, and then I moisturize my hair and continue. I only wash my hair every 6 weeks. I deep condition my hair every four weeks. Yes, most of the time I stretch it, I moisturize more and stretch it till I wash my hair, which is every 6 weeks before I deep condition. So my hair is currently at my butt. Yes, my hair have surpassed tailbone length, and currently we are at our butt. Yes, so we are hoping to get to thigh length soonest. So all I did was just to be using all these herbal ingredients that I've been sharing with you on this channel. I have been consistent. I have been consistently. Most of you have been watching my journey. You have been following my journey, and you know that I'm not telling lies. I'm never telling lies. I have been consistent with the routine that I've been sharing with you on this channel, and I've been consistent with my trimming. I keep singing it as a song on most of my videos. I keep telling you guys that I trim my hair a lot. I focused on the health of my hair. Sis, forget about the length of your hair. I know you want to grow waist length. I know you want to grow bra length. But sis, if you can believe me, if you can listen to me, focus on the health of your hair. If you focus on the health of your hair, length will definitely follow. I am that girl that trim my hair every month and I trim my hair every 3 weeks, every 3 months, and then dust my ends every month. Yes. From the beginning part of this video, you could see me dusting my ends. That's how I dust my ends. And I have shared a video with you guys how I trim my ends. The way I trim more. Like I chop off enough hair when I'm trimming than when I'm dusting. In the beginning part of this video, you could see me dusting. That's when I'm just removing little piece of hair here and there at my tips. If you're able to do that, your hair is going to thrive, and your hair is going to grow and look as healthy as mine. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video and share with your friends, and I will see you soon. Bye.